Pro-choice with no choice, prepared by Donisha Iriarty. Although abortion is legal on Guam, it has long been a contentious issue in the predominantly Catholic community. An issue of great dispute. Abortion policy began in 1990 when Governor Joseph Ada signed a bill banning abortion. Following this in 1992, Governor Joseph Ada was challenged, costing Guam millions. A federal court declared the law unconstitutional, saying the Guam law clearly violated Roe v. Wade, which found abortion to be protected by a constitutional right to privacy and forbade any state restrictions in the first 3 months of pregnancy. In 2018, the only physician performing abortion on Guam retired. Prevailing as a heavily debated issue in the community, abortion practices have been hindered by public scrutiny. Although legal on Guam, abortion was offered only by one physician. Other doctors were averted by the unfavorable backlash of the practice and by personal values. Since the legalization of abortion, the Catholic Society and other pro-life supporters have organized protests and fought against the abortion practices on Guam. In 2018, Dr. William Friedman, the only practicing physician on Guam providing the service for expectant mothers, retired. It was recorded before his retirement in 2017 that 239 abortions were performed. Who is affected? Following Dr. Friedman's retirement, pregnant women were forced to travel outside of Guam, spending thousands of dollars to exercise their choice. Women would have to travel to the nearest abortion or Planned Parenthood clinic, which would be an 8-hour plane ride to the state of Hawaii. Women would have to travel to the nearest abortion or Planned Parenthood clinic, which would be an 8-hour plane ride to the state of Hawaii. Resolutions to the issue, letting women's voices be heard. Composed through legislation, an act could be passed holding physicians and clinics accountable. The act would charge a fee of $1,500 to physicians and clinics who turn away individuals seeking abortions. The set $1,500 would have accounted for the imposed travel expenses women would receive flying to the nearest location to receive the procedure. The act would reinforce women's right to exercise the choice of abortion and strengthen overall abortion laws.